The moderate-resolution imaging spectroradiometer is a payload scientific instrument built by Santa Barbara Remote Sensing that was launched into Earth orbit by NASA in 1999 on board the Terra Satellite, and in 2002 on board the Aqua satellite. The instruments capture data in 36 spectral bands ranging in wavelength from 0.4 micrometers to 14.4 micrometers and at varying spatial resolutions. Together the instruments image the entire Earth every 1 to 2 days. They are designed to provide measurements in large-scale global dynamics including changes in Earth's cloud cover, radiation budget and processes occurring in the oceans, on land, and in the lower atmosphere. MODIS utilizes 4 on-board calibrators in addition to the space view in order to provide in-flight calibration. Solar diffuser stability monitor, spectral radiometric calibration assembly, and Davy groove blackbody. MODIS has used the marine optical buoy for vicarious calibration. MODIS is succeeded by the VIIRS instrument on board the Suomi NPP satellite launched in 2011 and future joint polar satellite system satellites. The MODIS characterization support team is dedicated to the production of high-quality MODIS-calibrated product which is a precursor to every geophysical science product. A detailed description of the MCST mission statement and other details can be found at MCST Web. Applications. With its low spatial resolution but high temporal resolution, MODIS data is useful to track changes in the landscape over time. Examples of such applications are the monitoring of vegetation health by means of time series analyses with vegetation indices, long-term land cover changes, global snow cover trends, water inundation from pluvial, riverine, or sea level rise, flooding in coastal areas, change of water levels of major lakes such as the Aral Sea, and the detection and mapping of wildland fires in the United States. The United States Forest Service's Remote Sensing Applications Center analyzes MODIS imagery on a continuous basis to provide information for the management and suppression of wildfires. Specifications. MODIS bands. MODIS data. MODIS Level 3 datasets. The following MODIS Level 3 datasets are available from NASA as processed by the Collection 5 software. Availability. Raw MODIS data stream could be received in real time using a tracking antenna, thanks to the instrument's direct broadcast capability. Alternatively, the scientific data is made available to the public via several worldwide websites and FTP archives, such as Echo Reverb, the next-generation metadata and service discovery tool, which has replaced the former warehouse inventory and search tool. LAADS Web Level 1 and Atmosphere Archive and Distribution System Web Interface. Lance MODIS Land Atmosphere Near Real-Time Capability for EOS, FTP, LADS FTP, NASCOM, NASA, Gov, LAADS Underlying FTP Server, http://e4ftlo1.cr, USGS. Gov. Earth Land Surface Datasets, FTP, N4FTLO1U, ECS, NASA, Gov. Snow and Ice Datasets. Most of the data is available in the HDF EOS format, a variant of hierarchical data format prescribed for the data derived from Earth observing system missions.